Hello guys, today we're going to see how to export your MySQL database from client zone, AfriHost's client zone to your local machine. So log into client zone when you're there. So click on the website you want to, maybe if you have 2 or 3, click on the website you want to go to download the database from. Then click on login to cPanel. When you're there, you scroll down because there are a couple of things here. That's where you go and see your files. If you want to go see your files, click there. It's a little bit slow depending on the internet you use. So these are all your files. So you can go to your domain and say www where the files for the domains. You can say I have some WordPress stuff and stuff. So then you can go back here. Let's cancel here. Then you can go and scroll down. You will see what they say, phpMyAdmin. That software is here, phpMyAdmin. You click on that. After, when you're there, you click here if you have a couple of them. So you can click on this one database, then you say export. So we're exporting this to our local machine. Click here. So it started downloading. So it's gonna download our database. We're gonna find it in downloads on your Windows machine. So after, when it downloads, then you can do whatever you want to do with the database. Anyway, that's how you export your database. So it's done. So since it's text, it doesn't take that much time. So what you do, then you come here and click on whatever you want to click on. Go to your downloads. Then you find this is our database. So I downloaded twice. So you can click here. You can click on your WAMP server in case you want to export it, to import it somewhere on your local machine. So the download is done. Please guys, don't forget to subscribe on the channel. So you click here. You go to phpMyAdmin. Yes, once you're there, you can say enable. It's Microsoft. Okay, then you log in. It's not a process. This thing is easy. Then you click here. You create a new database. You want to give it a name, say MUSA. Then you create it. After the creation of the database, then you can say import. When you click import, you can browse that file, the one we downloaded. So it's somewhere here in downloads. We got it. It's here. Click on that, say open. Then after opening, then you're gonna hit the button which says go. So you can see now it's trying to import your database in there in our local machine. So guys, please don't forget to subscribe on the channel. Hit the subscription button and like our videos. Please comment if you want something, then we can always help you with anything you want us to help you with. So this database is a little bit big, so it will take time to load. So but once it's loaded, you'll find all your tables in here in the database we're gonna create. So basically that's what we call export and importing your database from AfriHost's client zone. So okay guys, that's the end of our video. Thanks, bye bye.